Welcome back, class, to the sixth chapter of class 8th Geography, Human Resources. In India, the government of India has set up a Ministry of Human Resources and Development. It was set up in 1985. The aim of this ministry is to increase the people's skill. Through this idea, we can understand that how the human is important as resources. So human resource is the ultimate resource of healthy, educated and motivated people. It is one of the building block of for a nation development. And human as a resource is not equally distributed over the world. It is differ in their educational levels, age and sex wise. More the population of a country has, more is considered to be rich in human resources. If a country has more population, then it is considered as the rich in human resource. Distribution of population. The pattern of population distribution refers to the way in which people are spread across the Earth's surface. The distribution of population in the world is extremely uneven. Some areas are sparsely populated and some areas are densely populated. More people live north of the equator than south, and almost third-fourth of the world population lives in Asian and African countries. Most of the people lives in tropical region of the world. This is equator and this area is tropical region of the world. As this region is rich in resources, very few people live in high altitudes and tropical deserts and high mountains and areas of equatorial forest. 60% of world's population stay in 10 countries. China is the most populated country. Then on second number is India. Then USA is third most populated country, and fourth one is Indonesia, and fifth one is Brazil. Density of population. The number of living in a unit area of the earth's surface is called population density. It is calculated by dividing the number of people by area and is usually expressed as the number of people per square kilometer square. The average density of population in the world is 51 person per square kilometer. South Central Asia has highest density of population, then followed by East and Southeast Asia. Average density of population in India is 382 person per square kilometer, which is one of the highest in the world. Average density of population in the world is 45 persons per square kilometer. The population density of a place depends on a geographical and socio-economic factors. So we have geographical factors. In geographical factors, we have topography. Most of the people prefer to live in plain areas because these areas are suitable for agriculture, farming, agriculture, manufacturing, and service activities. Then they also prefer to live in moderate climate to avoid very hot and very cold climates. They also prefer to live in fertile soil and fertile soil area are also densely populated as land there is suitable for agriculture. Water is also essential factor which makes area habitable, and minerals also one of the factor which which is the reason of the more population. Other factors are social, cultural, and economic factors. Social cultures that area have better housing, health, and education facilities more are more populated. Cultural like places, Vatican City or Jerusalem that have religious or cultural significance also attract people, and economically like politically stable country provides better living conditions to people, hence they has more population. Industrial areas attract more people since they can provide more employment opportunities. Osaka in Japan and Mumbai in India are both densely populated areas. Population change, it refers to the change in number of people during a specific time due to birth, death, and migration. Migration means people went to from one place to another place. Life expectancy is the number of years that an average person can accept to live. The imbalance in birth rate and death rate is the major cause of sudden change in world's population. Birth rate is the number of babies born in a year for every 1,000 people in total population. Death rate is the number of people dying per 1,000 people, and the difference between the birth rate and death rate of a country is called natural growth rate. Natural growth rate, what is difference between birth rate and death rate? There is no natural growth if birth rate and death rate are at same level. A rapid increase or means sudden increase in the population is referred to as population explosion, and if birth rate is more than death rate is the indication of increase in population, and decrease in population is known as depopulation, and death rate is more than birth rate, it is the indication of decrease in population. The movement of people into and out of an area can also change the size of population, which is known as migration. People who live in a country called emigrants, and people live in a country means they move out from a country is called emigrants. E-M-E refer as exit, and people who arrive in a country they called immigrants. Imi in. The main reason behind international migration is for search for the better employment opportunities. Pattern of population change. The pattern of population change growth varies from country to country. Not all countries experience population growth, even though the world's total population is increasing at a fast pace. The present population of the world is 7.6 billion and expected to rise 9.6 billion by 2050. By 2020, India is expected to surpass the population of China by 2024. Population composition. Population composition is the structure of population with various aspects such as sex, age, literacy level, health condition, occupation, and income level. The development of a country depends on the quality of people that comprise the population. The quality of people can be determined by studying their age, gender, literacy level, health condition, occupation, and income level. The of population structure of a country help us determine the number of males and females and their age groups. Population pyramid or age sex pyramid is most common method of showing population structure. It shows the distribution of males and females in a country by their age groups. The total population is divided into various groups, and percentage of total population is subdivided into males and females in each of those groups. The age below 15 years is considered as young dependents, which lie at the bottom in the age pyramid and reflects the level of births. Aged over 65 years considered as elderly dependents, and it reflects the top of the age sex pyramid and reflects the level of death, and the working class in the middle of from 15 to 65 years, which constitute the economically active segment. The shape of population pyramid shows the people living in that particular country. A pyramid broad at the base indicates the percentage of young people is high, while a pyramid becoming narrow at the top indicates a high death rate. Different countries shows different patterns of population pyramids. In Japan, low birth rate makes pyramid narrow at the base. Narrow at the base and thick in the middle. Narrow at the base and decreased death rates allowed number of people to reach at old age. In India, the pyramid shows which is broad at the base, thick in the middle, and taper towards end. It means India has a healthy population at the middle age and shows availability of human resource. So we have complete our sixth chapter, and with this we have also completed the class 8th geography. You can check the other NCERT series of class 6th, 7 and 8th geography in our YouTube channel. We will back with the another series of remaining NCERT classes. Thank you, class.